Hi, Jessie here. So happy you found me because that means you'll learn about doTERRA essential oils, and I love teaching people about doTERRA essential oils. So you're in the right spot. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, I would be forever grateful if you did that. What I want to teach you though, in this video, it's called the Shake It Off protocol. So do you ever have those times where you're just like feeling sort of wonky and you just need to like shake it up and like just let stuff out and then like a reset for your body? That's when you want to do the Shake It Off protocol. You need 3 oils. You need tea tree, lemongrass, and frankincense. And I would say to get some fractionated coconut as well if you would like to dilute it. Go get your oils and then come back and let's do the Shake It Off protocol. Number 1, the first one you're going to use is lemongrass. So you're going to put a drop of lemongrass on top of your head, and then I like to rub it in. Okay, lemongrass is cleansing. Oh, it feels so good. So step 1, lemongrass. Then you're going to take tea tree and you're going to put it over your heart. I want to dilute this just a little bit, so I'm putting a smidge of fractionated coconut oil in my hand, a drop of tea tree, and I'm going to mix it in my hand, and then make sure your shirt isn't like a really fancy shirt that you don't want to accidentally get oils on, okay? You're going to rub it over your heart, just like I'm doing. You're going to do that. Then you're going to take frankincense, and you're going to put some on your third eye. And you could dilute as well, but what I'm going to do is I'm just going to put a drop in my hand because I still have a little bit of that coconut oil in there. And then I'm going to put that over my third eye. So I mentioned before that lemongrass is the cleansing oil. Tea tree is one for energetic boundaries. I love tea tree for energetic boundaries. And then frankincense is the oil of truth. So once you have those 3 oils on, remember the one on top of your head, that lemongrass on your top of your head, tea tree over your heart, frankincense on your third eye, you're just gonna shake it off. And I hope you're doing this with me. Just I'm like shaking my body out, I'm moving my feet, I'm moving around. And you just have like helped dislodge stuff, get that bad energy out, and you're ready to go. You just give yourself a reset. So that's a Shake It Off protocol. If you have more questions, my contact information is in the show notes. If you aren't working with anyone yet in doTERRA and you want to get started, I would love to be your essential oil mentor. I know a lot and I love teaching people about stuff. So contact info is in the show notes. If you need to get these 3 oils and you don't have them yet, and again, if you're not working with someone, then please use that link in my show notes to get yourself oils, and we will see you on the next video. Have a great day.